So here we have seen you in all the celebrity leagues here and there, and we know that you play really well. And this is going to be so much fun, even more because here the cricketers, the mainstream cricketers, are also playing. How excited are you?
See, I've always been a very big fan of the sport and of sportsmen. So for me, they are my heroes,
Yeah.
and uh, and how they very humbly say that they are playing versus celebrities. I feel humble to say that actually we have the opportunity to play with celebrities because as children, our heroes were sportsmen. As just as profession, because हमारे वालिद साहब थे as a screenplay writer, and my family got into this profession as in filmmaking. But if you ask me, given a choice, I would want to be a sportsman.
Cricketer? Oh my God, that's a revelation.
Yeah, I would love to be. That's why I like people with sporting spirit
Right.
in anything that they do, because sports is something where I've got two beautiful children, and sometimes I genuinely believe that there's so much of pressure put on them where academics is concerned. I feel that sports teaches you as much. So मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि आप पढ़ो लिखो लेकिन स्पोर्ट्स खेलो.
Sports खेलो, and of course it is very
Sports खेलो.
important for one's well-being as well.
या पहले तो मतलब जब आप स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हो तो आप जो भी थोड़े वाइसेस है, मतलब जो चीजें जो आपको आपकी जिंदगी में आप थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो सकती है वो सब दूर रह जाती है.
Right.
You become disciplined. Like I was sitting with Shikhar Bhai, and you see Shikhar Bhai's fitness, and he was talking to me
True.
regarding his fitness. It's so amazing that a sportsman is somebody who genuinely sacrifices a lot. मतलब आज आप and it's a lot like जब हम बोलते हैं कि आज हम लोग ने काम किया और शूटिंग में एक अच्छा शॉट दिया, और जब एक बैट्समैन बोलता है क्या एक अच्छे बॉल पे उन्होंने एक अच्छा शॉट मारा.
Yes.
It's a very similar thing.
That's true.
On a good dialogue, you give a good shot, you feel happy. But if you don't give a good shot, you come back
Yeah.
home and you say that कल मैं जब जाऊंगा वापस से शूटिंग पे तो मैं कुछ
बड़ा और अलग करके आने वाला.
कुछ ऐसी अगर गेंद मुझे भी मिली
Right.
एक डायलॉग डिलीवरी में, जो एक बॉलर या एक दूसरा एक्टर आपसे डायलॉग डिलीवरी में compete करता है,
Yes.
एक मजा आता है.
Yes.
And I think this global cricket is getting all these teams together. Especially this whole I feel this unnecessary vibe between these two lovely countries, India and Pakistan.
India and Pakistan.
We don't
No, but we are very excited to see the love.
as you saw that politics is on one side, and sporting is
other side.
it's on one side.
Yeah.
Sports should be played with the right spirit and with the right honor, dignity, and that's I think this and especially I would like to thank the Qatar government to host this beautiful tournament, and we'll all be there, and would request the audience, would request the viewers to come to Qatar or to watch it on television. Increase the TRP, increase the audience, so that this tournament is held every year, and this tournament, mashallah, becomes into a great success.
Yes, bigger and better.